How to use Reelshot for business content creation. Want to create eye-catching business videos? Here's how to use Reelshot for business content. Start by selecting a professional template or clean canvas. Add your brand logo using the overlay or watermark tool. Use text to highlight key info like offers or contact details. Choose colors and fonts matching your brand style. Add smooth transitions and keep clips concise for attention. Export in high quality for sharing on social media or websites. Do you create business videos? Share your favorite tips in the comments below. Use consistent branding across all videos for better recognition. And that's how you can use Reelshot for business content creation. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.